We got our mise en place. So for today's video, we got some thick cut Canadian bacon, American cheese. It's already unwrapped, ready to go. Some eggs. We're gonna do some mayonnaise, and this is my take on McDonald's McMuffins. On there, and then this is gonna butter them up perfectly. Melted butter. Beats trying to spread out cold hard butter unevenly. So for all you people out there talking about spread your butter, why don't you talk about melting butter?
You don't know what you're talking about.
That's right, Jake. They don't know what they're talking about. We're gonna double up the ham today.
Oh yeah.
Or you can double up that ham. These a little flipper. See that nice browning? That's called the Maillard effect. That gives it extra flavor. Good. Okay, so those are good. It's just improvising because I don't have my regular equipment because we're on spring break. A little bit of butter. Okay, see if we can pull this off. Crack the egg. Come see. Toujours le sel de kosher salt for you Americans. The egg, give it a quick mix. See if that sets. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Trying to burn my fingertips so I can be immune to heat. Do one like that and we'll do one normal. Normally I'd have a coarse pepper grinder.
Yeah, make do with what you got.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
I sure hope so, pal. Cooking with my heart right now.
Should be.
All right, should we try it?
2 more minutes. Oh, I don't like Sophie out there.
Did it work,
A
Austin?
little bit of a fail. It's a little bit of a work and a little bit of a fail. All right. Flip. Get the American cheese. Key to flipping eggs is confidence. We're gonna kill the heat. Just let that cheese bon petit purr.
I would.
Think so?
Yeah, it keeps the heat trapped on the top where the cheese is.
Yeah,
I always
that's what I
do
was
that.
thinking. You always do it.
I put lids on everything to keep the top.
Really?
Yeah, I got a glass one so I could see it melt it.
Well, I'll be damned.
Yeah.
I will be damned. It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Okay, so
Yeah, confidence.
there. There. Put the lid on. The lid on.
Hudson, do me a favor.
I made this with love for my best buddy, Jakey. Here you go, Jake.
Okay, here we go.
The hot.
Que magnifique.